Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Open Audacity and load or record your clip. Locate a short section that contains only the unwanted background hiss or hum and select it precisely. This gives Audacity a clean sample of the noise to learn. Then go to Effect, choose Noise Reduction, and click Get Noise Profile. This step captures the frequency characteristics of the noise, so the tool knows what to remove without touching your voice or main audio. Once you have the profile, select the full track or the region that needs cleanup. Reopen Effect Noise Reduction. Set reduction, dB, sensitivity, and frequency smoothing based on preview listening. Start with moderate values. For example, 12 dB reduction, 6 sensitivity, and 3 frequency smoothing, then click Preview. Make incremental changes to avoid vocal artifacts. Higher reduction removes more noise but can thin the voice, while more smoothing preserves natural After reduction, listen critically and restore presence. Use equalization or the graphic EQ to boost body if voice sounds thin, and normalize or amplify to consistent level. If remnants persist, try selecting small regions and repeat noise profiling, or use the spectral view for surgical removal. Once satisfied, export to WAV or MP3 and save a backup of the original file. If you hear metallic artifacts, reduce the reduction amount and increase frequency smoothing. That's the key troubleshooting tip to avoid overprocessing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.